Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today we're going to show you how to install this range hood on your RV. It's not a very complicated installation and should really only take you about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll need a few tools when you're installing this range hood, namely a screwdriver or screw gun with some wire strippers, as well as little wire caps or other wire connection fittings of your choice. Before you start installing this range hood, it's important that you disconnect your RV from power. So you want to disconnect your RV batteries as well as shore power if you're hooked up to that as well. And then we'll take the actual range hood down by removing the 4 screws. Once you've removed the 4 screws, you can gently lower the range hood and then disconnect the wiring. And once the wiring is disconnected, you can set the old range hood aside. We're not going to need it anymore. Here we use wire strippers to expose some of the wiring, and then we connect the wires with the wire caps we're using. The black goes to negative 12 volt power. The red wire goes to the positive 12 volt power. The yellow-green goes to the ground wire. Once it's all wired up, you can then lift up the range hood and screw it in using 4 screws. Once the range hood is installed, you can reconnect your 12 volt power and test out the range hood to make sure it works. And that's about all there is to it when it comes to installing this range hood on your RV. As I said, it should only take you about 15 to 20 minutes, and it's very simple to do. If you like this video and you want to see more of what we do in the future, hit the like button and remember to subscribe as well. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.